What do you want for Christmas?
Hose.
Hey, happy Vlogmas day number 4, guys. We're getting there. So I wanted to do something a little bit different today. I wanted to show you some loungewear pieces that I put together. The description bar right here will show you exactly where I got each piece from, guys. This was so comfy and so cozy. All right, guys, you guys ready for the next vlog? Let's go. Okay guys, so welcome back. So right here I'm showing you exactly the things that I brought from the Dollar Tree to make this Christmas snow globe. So these weren't the bowls that I wanted to pick up, but the Dollar Tree, they only had the smaller ones like this. To be honest, this DIY came out just okay. If I do it again, which I probably will, I would do a couple things differently, and I will let you know what those things are once we get to that part. And one of those things I can tell you right now is this crazy glue. It did not work well for this project. But alright guys, let's get started. So right here I'm using that crazy glue, and it worked okay for this particular part. So you want to go ahead and put some type of glue on there. I use crazy glue for this part right here, and you just want to stick those little figurine people into the bottom of whatever type of bowl you're using. So I wish that I could have found the smaller bowls that I was looking for at Dollar Tree, but they just didn't have it. So I'm going to add this last little piece right here. You can place these any way you would like into the bowl. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some of the faux snow. Just a little, just to make it look like, you know, they're in the snow. And guys, this faux snow was really pretty. I feel like you can use that for a lot of different projects. And yeah, I got 4 packs, but I definitely did not use all 4 packs. Okay, so here I just added in my bottle brush tree there. You just want to kind of move this around and place it, you know, where you like it there. So here is where I'm trying to use the crazy glue to put on the edges here so I can add the top. And as you can see, it was dripping down, so that did not work. So I pulled out my handy dandy glue gun, and that actually got the job done. So yeah, I don't recommend using the crazy glue for this particular project. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna keep putting this on the perimeter, and then you guys are gonna see me put the top of this on in just a second. So I got the top portion on, and this is what it's looking like so far. It's a little bit messy on the side here. I did try to pull some of that glue off of the side later on, but here I'm adding the little skis on top, and I did use the crazy glue for that portion, but unfortunately I had to go back once again and use my glue gun. Guys, this glue gun is so handy, and I use it in a lot of my projects. And just a little hack or tip, you can go to the Dollar Tree and actually buy the little glue sticks to put in your glue gun, and they work fantastic. I think I got this glue gun from Michael's though, but you can get the refills from the Dollar Tree, and I think it's about 20 of those little glue sticks in there, so it's a great deal. So I finally got my little skis on top, and that I thought came out kind of cute. So overall, I would give this DIY project maybe a 6 or a 7 out of 10, because the concept was a really great concept, but I think I really needed some circle bowls. That would have made it look a little bit better. I mean, this right here just gave it a different look, but next time I would definitely see if I can find a circle bowl to put this in. So yeah, I would give it a 6 out of 10. So this is the second one that I made, and right here I am just putting the bowl on top just to give it just a little something. So yeah, so overall guys, I would definitely redo this project, and when I do redo it, I'll make sure I show you guys. But I mean, it still made the cut. I actually am going to show you a clip of where I decided to put it once they were both all the way done. So do you guys do Christmas DIY projects? Let us know in the comment section below what you like to DIY for the holiday season. So now let's get into part 2 of our Vlogmas video number 4. So right here, I'm going to set up the dining room table. This is the tablecloth that I've had for a couple years. I believe I got this tablecloth from Big Lots. Guys, Big Lots has a lot of nice Christmas decor. So if you haven't tried them, check them out. And a lot of times they go on sale between 30 to 40% off. They rotate their weeks during the holiday season. So this is something that I bought from the Dollar Tree. It's just like some mesh material. It has some nice little sparkles in there. So I decided to put that in the middle of the table. And this roll, it actually has a lot on the roll for $1.25. And also, I don't know if you guys saw the Vlogmas before number 3. If you haven't, go back and check that out. I actually put this at the bottom of my coffee table as well. So this is a tray that I normally keep on my coffee table, but I decided to put it on the dining room table for the holiday season. So honestly guys, a lot of my holiday decor is stuff that I have kept in storage, and I just bring it out every year and I just add on to it. But the things that I add on is typically things that come from the Dollar Tree, things that are very inexpensive from Walmart. Like I said, Big Lots, Ross. You can even go to Marshall's. It doesn't have to cost a whole lot of money, you know, for it to look nice, or at least I think it looks nice. You guys let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this when I'm done with the finished product. So right here, I'm adding in the faux flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just kind of shaping them to my liking. And you'll see I'm cutting off the tags and just kind of shaping them to the way I like. Guys, Dollar Tree has a lot of cute little faux flowers. It just depends on, you know, the style that you're looking for. And each season they bring out different colors. So I decided to go with the white and the silver and a little pop of the green there. Next, I'm going to play around with the different things that I had left on my little bench behind me. So these are the trees that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to play around with this until it looks the way I like it. So yeah, guys, you can use all different things to, you know, make things pop in your house. You don't have to go out and buy all new things. That little wreath that I just showed you guys, that also came from the Dollar Tree. I didn't unravel it. I just left it like that because I brought two and the other one was just too hard to get undone. So guys, that lantern was from the Dollar Tree. Love, 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 love that cute little lantern, guys. I give that a 10 out of 10 for the price of $1.25. It's battery operated, but it looks so pretty at nighttime when you cut the lights on. I told you guys I should have got two of those. So if I pop in the Dollar Tree again before the Christmas season is over, I would definitely pick up another, maybe two more. So if you guys see that little lantern in the Dollar Tree, please do yourself the favor and pick it up. Nobody will know that that came from the Dollar Tree. So here I'm going to add in my table settings here. I believe I got those little placemats from Ross a couple years ago. And then those chargers, guys, those came from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. They normally have them in silver, they have them in gold. I even seen them in red. So depending on what the holiday season time is, that will determine what color they have. So those napkins, I actually picked those up from Hobby Lobby. And the napkin rings, I had those from a couple years ago. I cannot remember where I got those from, but I'm just showing you guys here how I put the napkin ring on there, and then I'm going to place those on the chargers, in the middle of the chargers on the table. So guys, yeah, this plates and the chargers came from Dollar Tree and from Ross, and the napkins from Hobby Lobby. And they were 40% off, guys, but they're really nice quality. Right here, I'm cutting on this battery operated light set. I believe I got this from Big Lots, guys, because I got a set from Big Lots and I also got a set from Target. I think these were from Big Lots, and they take 3 AAA batteries. And so I just decided to go ahead and put those on the flowers in the middle. I thought it came out cute. You guys let me know what you thought at the end. So yeah, I just added that on there. And if I didn't mention on that tray, these are Dollar Tree bulbs that I got from the Dollar Tree. So always use stuff that you already have on hand, guys. So I am done with this project. I'm going to show you the end result. Let me know what you guys think. Happy holidays!
What do you want for Christmas?
Hose.